Dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we learn science multiple choice questions from 8 preparatory papers with answers. If magnification of image is +1, then the correct answer is option B. Image size is equal to object and inverted. Is the circuit symbol for the given circuit symbol represents resistor. Do check other circuit symbols from textbook. Inside the magnet, the field lines moves. The correct answer is option B, from south pole to north pole. Outside the magnet, it is north to south. Inside, it is south pole to north pole. Which among this is not the characteristic feature of good source of energy? The correct answer is option A, low energy output per unit volume is the correct answer, option A. Now, part B chemistry MCQs. How many CH bonds, that is carbon hydrogen bonds, present in ethane, that is C2H6? The number of CH bonds present in ethane is 6. Don't get confused, it is carbon hydrogen bonds, not total number of bonds. Total number of bonds is 7, whereas number of carbon hydrogen bonds is 6. Write the structure and verify. Next question. Solder is composed of following metals. In soldering gun, we use solder which is made up of metals lead and tin. The correct answer is option A, lead and tin. Solder is an alloy made up of lead and tin. Now part C, biology MCQs. The gap between two nerve cells is said to be, the correct answer is synapse. The gap between two neurons or nerve cells is called as synapse. Now, moving to next question, pollutants which causes acid rain is, the correct answer is option D, sulfur and nitrogen oxides. These two pollutants causes acid rain. Students, better make a note of all these questions in a notebook so that which will be very easy to revise during your SLC board exam. Now we will be moving to next preparatory paper. The resistance of a conductor is 27 ohm. If it is cut into 3 equal parts and connected in parallel, then its total resistance is, this is numerical based MCQ. The correct answer is option B, 3 ohms. If we divide 27 ohm into 3 parts, it will become 9 ohm, 9 ohm and 9 ohm, which is connected in parallel. Therefore, 1 by Rp equals 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Using this, we get the total or effective resistance as 3 ohms. Which among the following has highest refractive index? The correct answer is option D, diamond. The magnetic lines of force of a conductor carrying current are concentric circles. This you can check out in textbook. Clearly the figure is given. Next, part B chemistry MCQs. The metal which is liquid at room temperature is option C, mercury. This has been repeated many times. The metal which is liquid at room temperature is mercury. An example for saturated hydrocarbon is option A, C2H6, that is ethane. Ethane is an saturated hydrocarbon because it contains only single bond. If it contains double or triple bond, we call that as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Therefore, ethane is saturated hydrocarbon. The atomic numbers of elements A, B, C, D are 3, 9, 4 and 8 respectively. Elements having metallic nature among these are A and C. The correct answer is option C, A and C. Across the period, the non-metallic nature increases, hence the option C is correct answer. Now, moving to part C biology MCQs. By constructing Khadin check dams in level terrains causes underground water level increases. By constructing Khadim check dams in level terrains, underground water level increases. Ozone layer is essential because it absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations. Option D, it absorbs ultraviolet radiations. Hence, ozone layer is very important because it absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiations which is released from the sun. Now moving to part A physics MCQs. The SI unit of potential difference is option B, volt. A soft iron bar is inserted inside a current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid will increase. If a bar magnet is inserted inside a current carrying solenoid, the magnetic field inside the solenoid will increase. Distance between optical center and principal focus of a lens is focal length. The distance between optic center and principal focus is called its focal length. The work done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volts is, correct answer is option A, 24 joules. V equals W by J. W equals V into J. Now students, moving to part B chemistry multiple choice questions. Methyl orange is pink in acidic medium, yellow in basic medium. Methyl orange is an indicator. In the presence of acid, it turns into pink. In the presence of base, it turns yellow. The IUPAC name of CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2 is, students count the number of carbon atoms, that is there are 4 carbon atoms and double bond is there, hence it is butene, that is option C, butene. Number of carbon atoms is 4 and we can see there is a double bond, hence the carbon compound name is butene. Now moving to part C biology multiple choice questions. The group of materials which contains at least one bio non-degradable material is, in the following option check for a substance which is non-biodegradable material. The correct answer is option B, cake, milk packet and wooden sticks. Milk packet is a non-biodegradable material. Next question, the pattern of response in the shoots of plants is option B, positive phototrophic and negative geotrophic. Towards the sunlight, hence positive phototrophic, hence option B is correct answer, positively phototrophic and negatively geotrophic. Now moving to part A physics multiple choice question. The SI unit of electric charge is option C, coulomb. The SI unit of electric charge is option C, coulomb. Which of the following is not a property of magnetic field lines? Students, make a note, these questions can be asked for 2 marks also. The correct answer is option C, magnetic field lines intersect each other, which is wrong. Magnetic field lines will never intersect. You make a note of properties of magnetic field lines. Next question, the inner surface of solar cooker is coated with black paint. 2. The correct answer is option A, observe more heat. The black paint or black body absorbs more heat than any other color, hence it is coated with black paint. Next, moving to part B, chemistry multiple choice question. The functional group present in propanol and propanol respectively are. In compound propanol, we have OH alcohol group as a functional group. In propanol, we have aldehyde as a functional group, that is CHO. The correct answer is option A, OH and CHO. The gas liberated when an acid reacts with a metal is. Hydrogen gas is liberated when acid reacts with a metal. The element X with atomic number 16 belongs to the following block and period. Students, for this you need to write the electronic configuration for atomic number 16. After that, the highest shell number indicates the period and the last shell indicates the block. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, P block and third period. Part C, biology multiple choice question. The practice of using used materials without changing their shape and form is. It is option A, reuse. Without changing the shape and form, we are using it again. We call that as reuse. If the shape or form is changed, then we call that as recycle. Next question. The correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following is. Read all the four options, and the correct option is undergo recycling naturally in the environment. Biodegradable substances undergo recycling naturally with the help of decomposers. Next, part A, physics multiple choice questions. The SI unit of resistance is option A, ohm. The SI unit of resistance is option A, ohm. Next, light travels fastest in air. The light travels around 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, hence light travels fastest in air. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit increases heavily. The correct answer is option C, increases heavily. At the time of short circuit, the current increases abruptly. That is, it increases heavily. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, increases heavily. Now, moving to part B, chemistry. Rain is called acid rain when its pH is option C, below 5.6. When the pH of the rainwater is below 5.6, we describe that as acid rain. The functional group present in CH3COCH3 is. Students, write the structural formula of this. You can know that there is a functional group C double bond O in middle, therefore, which is nothing but ketone group. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, ketone. The basis for the modern periodic table is. Modern periodic table is constructed based on important property, that is atomic number. The correct answer is option B, atomic number. Modern periodic law states that the properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. Hence, option B is correct answer. Now, moving to part C, biology MCQ. Which of the following is the old age concept of water harvesting system in Madhya Pradesh? The old concept of water harvesting system in Madhya Pradesh is Bundis. Next question. The substance which is responsible for depletion of ozone layer is. The correct answer is option A, CFC. Chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for depletion of ozone layer. Air conditioners and refrigerators release CFCs, which causes depletion of ozone layer. Ozone is nothing but 3 molecules of oxygen. Next question. The main constituent of biogas is methane. In Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of induced electric current. In Fleming's right hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of induced current. Next question. A car headlight bulb working on a 12-volt car battery draws a current of 0.5 ampere. The resistance of the light bulb is, using Ohm's law, V equals IR, or R equals V divided by I, we get 12 divided by 0.5, we get 24 ohms. Next question. Keeping the potential difference constant, the resistance of a circuit is doubled, the current will become half. Now moving to chemistry multiple choice questions. The soap molecule has, that is the micelle has, hydrophilic end and hydrophobic tail. Do take textbook and check the diagram of micelle. It has two ends. One is hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. The type of bond that formed between chlorine and potassium is, the type of bond formed between chlorine and potassium is ionic bond. Bond formed by transfer of electrons is called as ionic bond. Hence, the bond formed between chlorine and potassium is ionic bond. Students, you can write electron dot structure for chlorine and potassium and check out the kind of bond formed between them. Next, moving to physics part, which of the following terms does not represent electric power in a circuit? The correct answer is option B, IR square. Students, check out my video on numericals on electricity. I have explained in detail about the power. Next question. Where should be an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Correct answer is at twice the focal length. The object should be placed at twice the focal length. You can check by drawing ray diagram or you can check the textbook. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, I have already explained, when there is a short circuit, the current increases abruptly, that is, it increases heavily. The correct answer is option C. Next, part B chemistry multiple choice question. The pH of a sample of a vegetable soup was found to be 3.5. This soup is likely to be, because it is acidic. The pH less than 7 indicates it is acidic. Hence, the taste of an acid will be sour in taste. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, sour. Next question. The compound formed when 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atoms from methane are. Methane, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. When it is replaced by chlorine, when 3 of the hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine, it is chloroform. Option A, chloroform. Electronic configuration of element X is 281, Y is 287. The type of bonding between two elements will be ionic bond because there is transfer of electrons. Now moving to part C, multiple choice questions, biology multiple choice question. Which of the following is a non-biodegradable substance? Which of the following is not degraded in nature? The correct answer is option B, plastic. Plastic is not degraded in the environment easily by the process of decomposition. Hence, the correct answer is option B, plastic. Next question. By constructing Khadim check dams in level terrains, already we have discussed this question. underground water level increases. Because of the construction of Khadim check dams in level terrains, the underground water level increases. Now moving to next. Spent slurry, biowaste after obtaining biogas, is used as manure. The correct answer is option B, manure. Choose the instrument used to detect the presence of electric current in a circuit. The correct answer is option C, galvanometer, or we can use ammeter. Galvanometer used to detect small currents. Basically, galvanometer and ammeter are used to measure electric current. Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in the circuit? The correct answer is option B, IR, I into R, which is incorrect in terms of electric power. The frequency of the current produced in AC dynamo depends on the rate of rotation of the armature. The frequency of AC produced in a dynamo depends on the rate of rotation of the armature. Moving to part B, chemistry, multiple choice question. Which of the following belongs to homologous series of alkynes? Alkyne means it contains triple bond. Hence the correct answer is C5H8. You can check by writing the alkyne series, that is ethine, propyne, butane, pentane, hexane. Hence C5H8 will become correct answer. In the following chemical reaction, metal represented by X is CuSO4 plus X give rise to XSO4 plus Cu. The correct answer is option C, iron, which is nothing but displacement reaction will take place. The most reactive metal replaces the less reactive metal in the solution. Hence the correct answer is option C, iron. Now moving to part C, biology, multiple choice question. The substance which is chiefly responsible for the depletion of ozone layer is, already we have discussed, CFC is chlorofluorocarbons. Next question. The main function of the plant hormone called abscisic acid is to inhibit growths. The main function of plant hormone abscisic acid is to inhibit growth in plants. Friends, in this video we have discussed more than 60 multiple choice questions. Make a note of all this. Do revise for your exam. It will be helpful for your board exam. In next videos I'll try to upload 1 mark question from all these preparatory papers which will be helpful for you, and hopefully you are making use of all these videos. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and share the channel.